Hey guys, what's up? Fatty Daddy here with his son again, and in our first video we did a box subscription, or a subscription box that my wife has subscribed to from Ipsy. Well, we have another box for you here. It's another subscription that she does, but this one I guess is seasonal, which means you pay a seasonal price and you get a bunch of products, and the products that come in here are supposed to be full-size products. You pay, this one happens to be 50 bucks. It's called FABFITFUN. It's got over $200 worth of values in it, and we paid 50 bucks for it. So I'm assuming that it's seasonal. I don't know. My wife orders it and it comes in, and there we go. But according to her, it is $50 a month, or a season, and yeah, let's jump into it and see what we have here. So I don't know exactly what this has in it. It's supposed to be full-size products. Anyway, all right. So the first product that we got, again, this is called, what is it? FABFITFUN. I think that's what it is. FABFITFUN. All right. So the first product that we got in here is we have a Live and Quick. Oh, Olive and Quick. Haha. It's kind of cute. You see what they did there? It's a little olive and Quick. It is it's too big to be. Is it like a little throw blanket you put over your sofa or something? What is it? You say?
It's a big
little poncho. Maybe wear it like this. Maybe wear it like this. Is that how you do it? Oh, it's like a Snuggie. All warm and cozy. It's super soft. Feel it. Feel it. All right. So that's the first product in here. I don't know the value of this, but like I said, apparently the value of the box is supposed to be over 200 bucks. It doesn't feel like it's cheap. It feels like it's pretty, pretty good quality. Doesn't like tear easy. I mean, I could imagine that if you really just hunker down on it, you could rip it, but it feels like it's pretty good quality. I mean, it's not super thin, but it's not super thick. So for whatever it is, it seems like it's pretty good quality. All right, so now what do we have here? We have a box in a box. FABFITFUN Fall 2018 box. So this is the fall box. It's got Truly Clear Blemish Bar and the Olive and it's Olive and Peak. Oh, okay, I see it now. It is a peak. And then this is the Truly Clear one-step acne solution. So those of you who have acne and you want to get rid of it, hey, here you go. Get your FABFITFUN. Yes, I do have a cheat sheet. FABFITFUN seasonal, fall seasonal. It is looks like a big bar of soap.
Don't you rub that on your face?
So it's a blemish bar. So I'm assuming it's like soap or something. Just rub it all over your face. Get all those blackheads and acne out of the way. Smells pretty good too. Kind of minty. Alright, so now the box that was in the box. And yeah, I'm totally unprepared. I don't have a knife or anything to open this with. Holy crap!
Oh, a girl!
It comes with a girl!
Yeah!
So apparently it comes with a catalog for FABFITFUN in it. Alright, awesome, cool. Hold on. It's got Christina Applegate on it. So let's kind of just glance through it, see what it has. A bunch of makeup looking stuff in it. It tells you the right action for women. So apparently this is a woman's box.
What I wanted to say.
Okay, so it's got, hey, if you remember in our last video, we had a brush that we got. Maybe this will tell us exactly what it is. It was a blender, I think. So get streak-free makeup application with minimum product waste. This baby can be used all over your face. To use, simply wet the edge. That one didn't have a sponge on it, but it was called a blender. Oh, Luna Bar. This one is cashew butter. She can have that one. Alright, so we have a Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. So I guess this is like something for like a washcloth towel, like a dry your hand towel type thing. I don't know. We're gonna open it and find out exactly what it is. Ooh, it feels nice. Oh, there's two of them. Score. One for each of us. There you go. So yeah, I guess it's like a kitchen towel. You wash your hands and then you dry your hands off with it, or dry dishes, or cook with it and throw it over your shoulder. Look all professional. Look all professional. Alright, so we got some Glam Glow. Yeah, we're not doing this one. That's not happening, guys. I tell you what, if this gets enough likes on it and enough comments, I'll save these, and me and my son will do a video and do a review on this. I'll put it on my face and look like an alien, I guess. So it's a facial mask. Now when I was younger, my mom used to put these on, and it used to scare me until one day she put it on my face, and it makes your face feel like this right here. It like tightens it up and stuff like this. So yeah, if you guys want to see me and my son do this,
This is mine.
leave a comment and we'll do it. Alright, so we got Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant Peak Grapefruit Glycosamine Extract. It sounds like it does something important.
What is this
So what is
stuff?
this? This is like, it's an
Fly.
exfoliating cream. Here, let me see your face.
No.
Come here, I'm gonna put it on mine too. Here, come here. Oh, it's got like sand in it. It smells like grapefruit though. It smells really good. I kind of want to squeeze it in my mouth and eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. So I guess you just rub it in and exfoliates your skin. Whatever that means. And I guess you wash it off. So we're going to reach for the handy dandy. I feel fresh. I smell like a grapefruit. If anything, it makes you smell good. That smells really good. It smells really good, guys.
That's what it does.
I can see why women would like this one or whatever. I mean, men exfoliate their skin too, so I don't want to say this is a woman's product. I mean, I'm all about trying to keep my skin healthy, but it smells really good. I wish you could smell it. Hey, but you can. All you got to do, order the box. But it feels like sand on your face. Okay, what is this? You want to read this? Blue in Capri Shower Gel.
I was going to say Kathleen.
Gel douche. Okay, I'm not gonna. We're obviously not gonna try this because I'd have to get naked and go in the shower and all that. But we'll smell it and see what it smells. Alpine Rose Sage. That's what it is. Sage is a very, very strong scent. It smells. I don't know. I'm kind of torn. I can't tell. It's got a good smell, but it's got a real strong hint of sage.
It feels like I'm smelling like the
It's got like a lingering like effect. I mean, it doesn't smell bad. It's got a really, really strong sage scent. I know some people burn sage and whatever to get smells out of their house. All right, next thing. What do you think about this? Let's see if we can figure this one out. All right, so this is a yoga detox bath. So another product that we can't try right now, but we can definitely read and see exactly what it is.
I mean, you could like go in the bath with your clothes on, but
it takes approximately 5 years to extract natural mathisa. What is that? From the mastic evergreen tree found mainly on the Mediterranean Isles of Chios. Okay. Used by the Greeks for centuries, is known as one of a kind ingredient honored, and I don't know what this is. It's a detox bath. What does that mean? After an intense yoga workout regimen, soothe and relax your muscles. Ah, there you go. Read. Reading's good for you, people. It's a detox bath, so it's like it's made with sea salts and whatever this mathisa, Tia. Is that what is that? Mastia, right? Mastia, yeah, Mastia product or whatever. So how you use it is you take 3/4 to 1 cup of this stuff in here, pour it into water, soak for about 10 to 20 minutes, rinse and dry off with a towel. There you go. So after a hard workout session, drop some of this in a bath. It'll rejuvenate you. All right, so here is the next product. So this is a Catherine Milan. Why can't I pronounce? Why is it that every designer has like a last name that I can't pronounce? Why can't it be something like Smith? This is a Catherine Malendirino. It's an umbrella, obviously. It's just a simple umbrella.
that's cool.
Obviously, you guys know what an umbrella is for. It's to keep you dry. But it's cool. Now we have an umbrella. We didn't have one before, so that's good. And it rains a lot for no reason in the state of Georgia, so that's actually really good. A makeup spot. Hey, I read this in that magazine just a second ago. This is the blender. Apparently, you're supposed to get it wet and you do some crazy stuff on your face, like your sponge painting on your face or whatever. And yeah, it's squishy. So there you go. What do we got here? We got to see another one of those last names. Camuto, Vince Camuto. What is this?
Hey, but at least it's Vince. That's the deal with sounds like.
Ooh, this look like it's nice. All right, so this right here was obviously just a bag in a bag for this. Did they really send a purse?
Mom would like that.
What is this? It's like a handbag. I don't know. I don't know. Is this classified as a purse? Like, I see one pocket on the inside. It's big. Like I could probably put my whole body in here, but not really can't. So I don't know if this is just like a handbag or if it's considered a purse or what it is. But it's leather and it's real leather. It's definitely real leather. So this is probably pretty expensive. This is probably the majority cost of the box here. Kind of cool. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if it's a handbag, if it's a purse, or whatever. But so this is a it's Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. This will definitely get used in this house. We are tea drinkers in this house. Open lid, fill stainless steel infuser with loose leaf tea, or place tea bag and pot. Pour boiling water over the tea leaves. Blah 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 blah. And enjoy the tea.
Let's see, what does it look like?
So let's open this up.
Oh, is it blue? It's blue.
Little girly for me, but I'll still use it.
Well, you're a baby. It's blue.
Oh, cool. Yep. Okay. Yep. It's a teapot. I'm a little teapot, short and no.
You can't sing, Dad. You can't sing.
So here's the infuser. You put the loose tea in. You get some boiling water and you put it in here. You put the tea in here. Do like that. Close it. Let it sit for a little while. Let it marinate and make its little tea flavors, and you dump it out and have some delicious tea. Kind of cool. This will definitely get used in this household. That actually looks like that is it, guys. So, yeah, FABFITFUN box. It is a seasonal subscription. This is a $10 off your first purchase. I'm going to give this away at the end. It's got a code on it. So you would go to FABFITFUN.com. You would go into coupon. You would redeem this code, and you're going to get $10 off your first purchase. So instead of paying $49, you're going to pay $39.99, and you're going to get over $200 worth of value. This is a seasonal box, so we have 4 seasons. So if you want to pay $200, you can get all 4 seasons, I guess. I don't know how it works, but yeah. Guys, leave some comments in the comment section below. My son and I will read them. Let us know what you think of some of these products. Here's that face mask. If you want to see my son and I put these on and do a review on them, we will do that. No. And he wants to try to guess the value of some of this stuff.
Is there like a thing to show what they really are?
Nope, it doesn't. So before we give this code away, we're going to... okay, apparently this might have value in it.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, here. My wife is smart. She's the camera lady too. So, yes, this is the price of everything. It's in the brochure. So, you got the teapot. As you guys know, it's right here.
I was trying to guess.
$26. They said this was $26. The umbrella, how much do you think this was? $39 for this. $39. Now I'm gonna. Oh, okay. I'm not sure how this works, but it up here, if you look, it says there's a teapot and then there's a French press, and this one says an umbrella or some headphones. So I don't know if it's randomized or what, but if we got the teapot and the umbrella, maybe you'll get lucky and get the French press and the headset. I don't know. I don't know if you can go online and you can choose what it is that you want. My wife is shaking her head saying you can. So I guess you could either choose the umbrella or the headset. So you can listen to music. Don't bug everybody in the house. Which kind of don't understand why she didn't choose that, because she hates it when I play music on my phone. But I can understand why she got the umbrella, because it does rain a lot here. So yeah. So awesome. So we're going to go ahead and go through the price of this stuff. So apparently this right here, which is the Beauty Blender, this little piece of sponge is $20. $20.
Just for that?
Just for that. $20. So we got the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. It's a 2-pack. $18.
I mean, it is.
Like $18. It is not cheap to be beautiful, people. It is not cheap.
So, wait.
Okay. Oh, okay. So the whimsical tea towels. Ah, tea towels. There you go. That answers that question.
Wait, are both of them like $18 together?
No,
or?
it's 18 for the two. It's a 2-pack. The tea towels right here, $15 for the set. The Skin Co Roma, this stuff. No, not this stuff. Nope, not this. Right here, shower gel is $22. But I have a feeling you don't have to use a lot of it, so it'll probably last you a good while. The Luna bar right here, it doesn't. It's sponsored, so it doesn't have a price on it. Okay, okay. Tell me how much you think this is.
How much?
The Brown Alchemist, or the Grown Alchemist. Brown. I don't know where I got brown from.
I feel like it's gonna be like 50.
The polished facial exfoliant. How much do you think this is?
I feel like it's gonna be like $50.
$67 for this.
Wait, really?
We could have either ordered this, the Hydra Repair Day Cream, the Restore Cream. Those are both $50. This is $67. So there you go.
Stupid. Honestly, this is too much money. Too much.
I don't see. Oh yeah, here it is right here. How much do you think this is? The Cusio? How do you say that? Is it Kukio? Kukio? What is that? Kukio? Cusio? The Somatology Yoga Detox Bath. I say yoga like that because that's what it says. How much do you think this is? How much do you think this is? How much do you think this is?
Now see.
You already seen the price of it?
This was $67. Why do I feel like that's gonna be like $80 or something?
$39.95.
This is.
Now.
You get when we clean using this and this, right?
All right. So now we have the.
Wait.
Okay, so I was right. I was right. This is a carry bag. This is a carry bag. It's a luck tote. That's what they call it. How much do you think this is? It is real leather, by the way. It's 100% real leather.
Did we already go through this price?
Yep.
Okay.
How much do you think this thing is?
$7.
$128. So there you go. You spend $40, guys. You get a $128 carry bag. Pretty good deal. Pretty good deal.
Now let's see how much.
As I just throw it down. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, guys. This right here, it didn't give me a price for this. It's not in here. This is I guess it's like an add-on or something, but you know, go to the website. What is it? FunFitFab. FunFitFab.com. We're gonna do the giveaway now. This is gonna be first come, first serve. Whoever sees it gets it. This is your coupon code right here. Pause the video, go to the website, enter that. You get $10 off your first purchase. It'll only be $39. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. My son and I are going to continue to do these box openings and try to entertain you guys the best we can. Hope you guys liked it. This is Fatty Daddy signing off with his son. We will catch you guys in the next one. Love you guys.